Today we are going to start our portfolios that we are going to keep up with all year long. And some of you might have had a portfolio before, some of you might not have, but I bet that the portfolios that you've had in the past, if you have had one, are those big paper portfolios where you keep up with all of your artwork throughout the whole year and then you take the whole folder home with you. Well, ours are going to be a little bit different this year. They're going to be digital online portfolios through a Google site, and I'm about to show you how to set that up and how we are going to maintain those. So pay close attention, and then after you watch this, you can create your own. So before we get started, we need to talk about the what and the why. So portfolios are simply a collection of a person's work. It can show skill or growth, and it can also show an artist or designer's specific style or interest. So it can show kind of the consistencies in their body of work or specific things like design work or painting or drawing or whatever it might be that they're interested in or the thing that they focus on. For us, it's mostly going to focus on documentation of our work, showing our growth, and allowing us to share our work with each other and with our parents and other people who might be interested in it. So basically what it looks like is it's just a collection of your work. So I'm going to show you guys this. This is one of my portfolios that I keep that has a lot of student work on it. So this is basically like my teacher portfolio. So you'll notice that there are several different pages for projects and past projects. And yours will not be on Bulb, but I just wanted to show you guys this so that you could see something of like a collection of work and how it reflects me and different things like that. So you guys will actually be creating a portfolio in Google Sites. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go to your Google Drive. So yours will look different than this. I'm inside of the Art1 folder right now, or my Art1 folder. But I'm going to walk you through a couple steps that you need to do. So just go to your Google Drive, first step. Go to your Google Drive. Then what you'll do is you'll create a new folder inside of your Google Drive. And I would title this folder Art1 Portfolio, okay? Art1 Portfolio, just like that. And then you'll click Create. And you should see this portfolio or this folder pop up like that. And you can click into that. This is where you are going to load any images that you want to use, any pictures that you take, or anything like that as we work throughout the year. So I'm going to pretend like I just finished my wire portrait. And I'm first going to take a picture of the work that's going to be added to my portfolio, and we'll get to how to set that up in a minute. But to upload any images to your portfolio, all you do is you would save it to your drive and then just upload it from there, from the new file upload. You can either upload it from your computer, your downloads, or your Google Drive, and I can help you with that if you're unsure how to do that. So now that we have the image that I'm concerned about in our Google Drive, I'm going to show you how to actually set up the Google site. All you have to do is click on New, and you might have to go down to More, but you'll see this right here where it says Google Sites. This is what you want to click on. So all you do is click on Google Sites, and if you're in your folder, it will automatically save it in that folder. So yours might not say Create and Share, but mine did. And basically this will pop up. So there's a couple of different things that you can do from here. I would title this your STEAM Art Portfolio. So that's really important. So title right there, and it'll click on that. And then I would use this as your name, or you can do STEAM Art Portfolio again. It's probably a good idea to do your name and do Art1 Portfolio. So a couple of tips and tricks that you need to know is you can pick a different theme. So we're just gonna pick one really quick. So I like this one, and I'm going to choose maybe just one more color, and you can change some of the fonts here and play with that. Don't get crazy because you can continue to edit it as you go throughout the year. So what's going to be important is we're not going to worry about our home page just yet, but you're going to go to Pages, and you'll see where it says Home right here. That's the page that you're sitting on right now. All you would need to do is create a new page. And I would go ahead and just create a page for your line unit. So you can call that line unit or contour line unit, just like that, and then click Done. Now you'll notice that it pops up on the menu bar just like this. So this is a good spot to be in. Then after you do that, all you'll want to do is go over to Insert, and you can add anything into this little section right here. That's the body of your page. If you want to change your header type, you can totally do that, but I'm just going to leave it this way right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first start with my image. Actually, no, I'm going to first start with a text box. And I'm going to title this, so Wire Contour Line Portrait. And a couple things you can do here. You can change the way that this is designed or what it looks like. You could also pick different colors on here. If you want to do a different arrangement or things like that, you can totally do that as well. Center your words or anything like that. You can play around with it and just have some fun. And then you can click over here and upload an image, or a nice thing that you can do is you can just double click. And I'm just going to click upload. No, I'm going to click images. And that's going to take me to, you can go to your Google Drive. And because I uploaded that image into my Art1 portfolio folder that we created, I'm simply going to upload it like that. So a nice thing about Google Sites is that you can resize this image, and it's going to keep it proportional. But make sure that you're showing all of your picture. And then what I would like you to do is after you complete your artist statement and it emails you, you will come in and place your artist statement inside this page as well. So yours will have a lot more words than that, but easy enough to see. After you finish all these things, what you will do is you will click Publish. And you can change these web address if you want to. What I would do is make sure that anyone at bisdmail.net, those are the only people that can see it. Let's not click the anyone on the web, but make sure you click on the anyone at bisd.net. That means that I can look at it, you can look at it, and your parents can look at it, but no one else can search for it or find it or anything like that. And then you will click Publish after you change the URL. And then you can view your online portfolio. After you finish the contour line part and you have your artist statement written in there, you will have the chance to maybe upload a picture of yourself to the front or write a little about me. Have fun with that, but keep it appropriate. And remember that you will be turning this link in. So after you do this, you will select this URL and turn it into the post in Google Classroom. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope that was helpful. It's pretty easy. I would just take pictures on my phone or my Chromebook or anything like that. Get to work.